had people asking to see the picture of the drone that Jason sent you. So if you could pull that up on your phone,
yes,
I'll actually...
the drone that he like supposedly did not get. All right, I'm scrolling through. I'm gonna go back here. So this is the picture he sent me. Here, you know what?
Was this a real... Yeah, you pull it up.
Let me, hold on.
You can tell that is not...
I thought perhaps that was like the floor in his kitchen or something.
No, he has to go off Google.
Brad said he 100% did not get a drone.
No,
and that he still has the money.
DJ won't?
Sure.
It's like a,
I got
Chinese
That's a
knockoff.
Google picture.
That is
We already went
Google.
over that.
What's that?
We already went over that. That's a Google picture.
Dual
Is
reality.
it definitely a Google picture?
Dual reality.
I'm gonna Google dual reality drone. Right
There it
now.
is. No more money for him. He is now 100% cut off for good.
He's a con.
Now-
Lost the respect of the community.
All right, now, okay, so he has to buy, what, a DJI to get into the Beat PJ contest?
He's not in the BPJ.
No, but if he,
Oh, if he wants to actually even have a chance at participating in the BPJ contest, he actually needs to go and get a real drone, a good drone.
all right.
500 to $1,000.
Who are you bringing to the concert?
The winner of the contest.
No, but you said with the staff. You're going with
Oh,
the,
as far as staff is myself, David, my dad, possibly Billy wants to go, and Mike Trujillo may possibly be going as well. We have a lot of very diehard Tool fans here, but there are other very, very good bands as well. I posted the picture of it, and a bunch of people were messaging me. Hell yeah, saying they want to try to do the contest just for the concert. Like they don't even care about the other stuff. Also, and I don't mind saying this on video, Aaron Singerman reached out to me last night, and he goes, "You did $10,001 on purpose, didn't you? You're calling me out." And I was like, "You guys have no chance against us. We got concerts." I'm like, "We have me coaching. Who's gonna coach on Redcon? One of the guys in the office? Nobody." So there is no contest
And look.
between me and them.
And look at this gentleman here.
Yeah, right.
Blackstone to the core. They don't even have that. Look, he drives the Blackstone mobile back over there.
That's how many cars I own.
Louis Maldonado veggie burgers.
You're wearing a hat today.
I am. Broke up my Blackstone.
Got the hat. So what's on the grill? What's on the menu?
Nothing's on right now, but we're going back to basics this week. I'm gonna do my famous skirt steaks in a little while, but I'm going regular burgers. We still have some of Wendell's burgers. We have these Greek burgers that nobody's tried yet, and we have these veggie ones that Louis is back in his vegan stage that we're gonna make. Nobody else will eat those. But we're just doing regular. I just got some good sirloin burgers, a lot of burgers, steak, keeping it a little basic. I'm here a little later for this today, so we'll get into the more fancy, perhaps. And oh God, I have to tell you this. So Nika, God, we all love Nika so much. Nika, I sent her the video, and she goes, "PJ, I like so much, but the captions, they're not right for what we're saying." And I was like, they're not supposed to be right. Didn't you hear Trevor say we're gonna put in? So she just thought we made a mistake on what we were translating.
No, that was intentional. Nico, we love you.
We love you, Nika.
Those have to be the veggie burgers.
These are Louis Maldonado.
Why is he eating veggie burgers?
I don't know.
You remember he was vegan for like an hour and a half?
I think he's back to vegan this week again.
I found the trays.
Who wants to know something?
Everyone's like gremlins right now. They're huddled around.
Just one.
Dave ain't playing around. Chelsea ain't playing around.
There ain't no playing.
Eric ain't playing. There's no playing.
I'm not playing here.
I need to lock in a burger. This is the Wendell Italian burger. It's great. It has cheese, pepperoni. It's like a pizza. You don't have to put anything on there. It tastes. How is that Italian burger?
It's probably the best burger I had in my life.
No, it's that good. Like when I ran up to the grill and I pushed 3 people out of the way for this. This is a shirt I bought from
Like,
Nate.
this is XL?
It fit me like a Chinese medium. That's what.
It feels like I'm wearing like a kid's shirt.
Well, what happened is he said there was a problem with the sizing, and so they're rectifying it. But
Look, it like pulls in.
That's a muscle
Sleeve is
shirt.
Short.
it's like, have you ever seen a Cosby Show?
Yeah, it's choking. It feels like I'm wearing it backwards.
There's an episode of Cosby Show where Theo got a shirt made by his sister called Gordon. He wanted a Gordon Gartrell shirt, and his sister made him one, and it was like very. If you can find a clip, you can put it in a thing, and it'll explain. But Gordon
I
Gartrell.
like the design, but I can't wear this. Come on, Nate. You gotta step up.
Being called out, Nate, got us looking like goddamn sausage. The vocal stylings, I was enjoying that for a minute. Interesting choice of music.
Wildcat. My mom was feeling that the other stuff was too aggressive, so I tried to find something. She wanted Thriller by Michael Jackson. I'm like, we're not taking requests. It's on shuffle. I'll find something more mellow.
Mike is running for the last 4
Yes, he
burgers.
did. He screwed me over on the veggie burgers. Put him on blast.
Yeah, he said it was just like, and then he knew
Put him on blast.
He's mad about the veggie burgers.
I made them special for you first, as soon as I got here.
And then he actually saved them
Honestly,
for you. And made
Bro,
no one else-
you saw how he walked away from you? Like an upset girlfriend. He's mad. He's upset.
Bro.
His blood, sweat, and tears. He cut his hand all over the grill, all over your burger. Blood.
Stop it, everyone.
So-
I'm about to take it.
See, it belongs to the front right there.
Do you want that?
I want it.
All right. Who? Gotta try it on though.
It won't fit me. I'm looking at this, Larry.
All right. So this shirt, I bought this shirt from Nate.
If you don't fit me, let me
It's a nice shirt. I went to put it on. It's XL.
Yeah.
It fits like
Put it on.
extra medium. I had to call the Jaws of Life. It needed Jaws of Life to get me out of the shirt when I tried to get on. So I gave it to Eric. I said, Eric, I tried this on, see if it fits. Eric came in looking like a sausage casing.
What that would look like on me.
When they make it, nigga.
You can't even get it over your head. Lewis is trying on. This is the third person that's going to own this shirt.
It's not gonna work.
Well, actually fourth, because Jared didn't want it, because it didn't fit
It
him.
didn't fit Jay. Yeah, right there. Yep, that's your issue.
Does that fit you?
Nope. It's not bad, but like. Try and do like a pull-up.
Lewis might be the recipient.
Honestly, he's pulling it off right now. Not even gonna lie.
How do you feel? How do you feel in that?
You feel bigger now?
No.
You feel bigger, right?
Is it too
I feel
tight?
awkward.
Yeah, no, that shit looks.
I feel like I'm trying to.
You know what? It looks like. Okay, so you know how shorts
there.
are normally cut this way. This looks like it's cut that way.
No, but with
Yeah.
these sleeves,
You know?
it's like it's like meant for like natties that are trying to look huge. Like this
Bambi,
is
Bambi, it's your turn. Bambi, come try this shirt.
All right. Bambi, see if you can have this shirt. I paid $25 for this shirt. Someone needs to have it.
Bro, he dodged it. He's like, I'm not even gonna touch it.
That's what we're going to
Hilarious.
You're just going to leave it on the floor?
No, bro, I'm not even gonna pick it up.
Damn.
Damn.
Okay. Okay, so your throat chakra is, it's active, but it's not because it's not connecting to what you truly want to say.
Okay.
So, by wearing blue or just recognizing that your thoughts and emotions you'll be able to form them into words and it'll flow freely, so you'll feel more free and more connected with yourself. Once you do that, you'll find balance. So whatever you feel off-kiltered with now, that's where it's stemming from. Make sure you don't let your mind get the best of you. You know, make sure you look at things from different perspectives because you don't want to get locked in a negative one by accident. You want to make sure you look at the bright side, and if you aren't, there is a bright side even in the darkest times. So you always want to look at that. And there are going to be obstacles and challenges to teach you lessons to make you stronger for what's to come next. And you have, once you do that, whatever you feel isn't right now, whatever's like a standstill or whatever you just feel is like blocking your path, it'll go away because you'll be strong enough to conquer it.
That makes a lot of sense. God, I really hate the color blue. Okay.
Well, I mean, you don't have to wear the color blue. You can always like imagine a blue ball like at your throat or going around your throat like a ring, and turning in a clockwise motion, and that'll help you balance your chakra.
I will try. That was good.
That's what your card telling the store for you too. You're just connecting, and don't deny yourself your feelings. You have to feel them or else they get locked up and then they explode.
Man, if I really got to say what I wanted to say, though.
Maybe you need to, but like maybe not to the person, but like just have like a yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course. You can always come to the cabin and be like, ah.
This is very different than the last one. That one was so different.
Well, that one was.
Remember the last one? Everything was like mom, 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 and then I had a year of mom, mom, mom,
Yeah.
mom, mom, chief of staff, same thing.
Yeah. This is the only deck I have with me because I have a tiny backpack now.
Aww.
So.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Thank
you.
Anytime you want a reading.